Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set a deep effect wallpaper on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on proceed and tap on allow. Then tap on OK. And once you do that, just tap on lock start. From here, just tap on visit find lock homepage. Now just scroll down and tap on lock start. From here, just scroll down and tap on download APK. Now just wait for a few seconds. Then tap on download. From here, just tap on download. Now just wait for a few seconds for this APK to download. And once this APK is fully downloaded, just tap on the three lines over here and tap on downloads. From here, just tap on lock start and tap on install. From here, just tap on done. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now just scroll down and tap on good luck. From here, just scroll down and tap on download APK. From here, just wait for a few seconds, then tap on download. From here, just tap on open file, then tap on install. Now just wait for a few seconds. From here, just tap on open. Now on this page, just tap on agree and continue. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the gallery app on your smartphone. Now just select the photo which you want to set as a deep effect on your lock screen. Just like that. Now just tap and hold on the part which you want to set as a deep effect. From here, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on save as image. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. From here, just tap on find lock. Then tap on lock star. Now from here, just tap on lock star and select app widgets. From here, just scroll down and tap on gallery. Now just tap on image and stories, then tap on add widget. From here, just tap on this widget. Now just tap on the settings icon over here. Now just tap on select images. Now just select the image which we have created earlier. Now just tap on done. Now from here you can resize the widget as you like. Now you can change the style of your lock, just like that. Now just set the widget as you like. Now once you have done that, now just tap on wallpapers. Now from here just select any background which you like. Now if you want to set a solid color or a gradient as a background, just select this option. Now from here just tap on colors. And from here you can select any color which you like. Now if you tap on style, you can change the gradient style as you like. And from here you can increase or decrease the transparency of the background. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your lock screen style, just tap on done. Now from here, as you can see, this is how you can set a deep effect wallpaper on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, Please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.